Hi children, I'm going to carry on today with another set 3 sound. So the sound today is uh. Now here is a nurse and she has got a purse. So we say nurse with a purse. Nurse with a purse. My turn. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Fantastic children, give yourselves a pat on the back. Okay, so this side we say nurse with a purse. And this side we say 2 letters, 1 sound. So it sounds the same as the set 2 sound, whirl and twirl, the I and the R, but this time it's this one and it still is Good, I'll play the game. Ready? Be a bit quicker now. Well done. Okay, so I'm going to put the sound in with the other set 3. And first of all, we're going to do the set 2. Now, I'm just going to show you the set 2 sound cards. I'm not going to tell you what they are, okay? So watch very carefully. Well done. Okay, now set 3. Now, I know that some of you are finding these a little bit tricky, so I'm just going to model what the sounds are, but I'll pause just as I show it to you so the children that know it can say it independently, okay? O. Ow. Oi. Aya. So this is another so it's not the one that we're doing today. A. This one we did last week. A. Shun. I. Ear. Ooh. O. Ooh. Or. Well done. This one is what we're doing today. A. E. O. So we're back to the beginning. Well done. Okay, give yourselves a piano. Okay, so we've heard the sound, we've seen the sound. Let's do some words with the sound in. Okay, so special friend, Fred talk. Special friend, Fred talk. Special friend, Fred talk. Special friend, Fred talk. Special friend, oh, there's two here. Now this one here is S, okay? 2 letters, but just 1 sound. So special friend, Fred talk. Good job. Okay, let's do some nonsense words. And these are a mixture of set 1 and set 2. Okay, so special friend, Fred talk. Special friend, Fred talk. Special friend, Fred talk. So if you see children, this one is the set 2, isn't it? Special friend, Fred talk. Last one, special friend, Fred talk. Well done. Okay, now we are going to do the speedy reading. Okay, so Fred in your head as much as you can. These are set 1 and set 2. Well done. Why don't you give yourselves a whoosh? Whoosh! Excellent job. Right, it's time for the spelling now. Okay, so make sure that you've got some paper and a pencil ready. Don't forget that if I am doing it a little bit too fast for you, you can always press pause and you can write and take as much time as you like. Okay? So the first word we're going to do is burn. 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 Count the sounds. Show me fingers, pincers. Say the word burn. Burn. Pinch the sounds. B, n. Remember, use your Fred fingers and you can have your speed sounds chart next to you to help you. Okay. So, if you have the B, give yourself a tick. If you have the sound and it looks like mine, it's this one here, and you've underlined it, give yourself a tick. And if you've got the n, give yourself a tick. Okay, excellent. If not, just fix it, it doesn't matter. The next next word we're going to do is turn. 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 Turn, turn, turn. Turn. Count the sounds. Ready? Fingers. Pincers. Say the word turn. Turn. Pinch the sounds. T, n. Remember, use your speed sounds chart to help you find the sound. And press pause if you need to, if you need more time, okay? That's one good thing about it being recorded. You can pause it. Okay, if you have the t sound, give yourself a tick. If you have the and it looks like mine, give yourself a tick. And if you've got the n, give yourself a tick. Well done, children. Now, I'm going to do one more. And this one's a little bit tricky, okay, because it's got the s sound at the end. So I want you to really think about what the s sound would look like. The word is nurse. 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 Count the sounds. Fingers. Pincers. Say the word nurse. Nurse. Pinch the sounds. N, s. Write it down. Just try to remember how we do the s sound. I'll give you a clue. It's not just a s, there's another letter at the end. Okay, so if you've got the n, give yourself a tick. If you've got the sound and it looks like mine, give yourself a tick. And if you have the s, it's that, and it's the at the end, give yourself a tick. Well done if you've got this. This is quite tricky, but don't worry if you haven't. Just write it again. That's fine. Now, don't forget, as an extension, you can write some of these words in a sentence for you, okay? And I will look forward to seeing them. So I hope you like that, and I will be back with another sound, okay? Bye for now.